weeks where you swear you're going to fix your life, and then suddenly it's Sunday again, and you've accomplished absolutely nothing. Yeah, that was me. So I decided to try something different. For the last 7 days, I followed the 1% study upgrade rule. Tiny, almost stupid simple habits designed to make you just 1% better each day. And honestly, the results surprised me more than I expected. Let me show you what happened. Days 1, the wake-up call. Here's the idea. Instead of trying to study for 5 hours or read 200 pages or magically change my life overnight, I asked myself one question. What's the easiest possible improvement I can make today? On day 1, my 1% upgrade was embarrassingly simple. I cleaned my desk. Not a deep clean, just removed the trash, stacked my books, wiped the surface. But the moment I sat down, I felt different, like my brain finally had space to breathe. Tiny change, instant effect. But day 2 hit even harder. Day 2, the 10-minute rule. I told myself, just study for 10 minutes, that's it. After that, you can quit. And here's the crazy part. 10 minutes turned into 45 without me even noticing. It felt like I was tricking my own brain. Because the hardest part of studying isn't the studying, it's starting. This was the first time all week I felt momentum. Like, oh wait, maybe I'm not actually lazy. Maybe I just needed a smaller entry point. And that momentum carried into the next day. Day 3, the no noise hour. Day 3's upgrade was simple. No music, no talking, no phone. Just one quiet, focused hour. I won't lie, the first 5 minutes felt illegal, like my brain was screaming for dopamine. But then, something clicked. When you remove distractions, your mind stops fighting itself. I finished an entire chapter way faster than usual, and I started noticing a theme. Most of the time, the problem isn't that we can't focus, it's that we're constantly overstimulated. Days 4, the 5-minute reset. On day 4, I added a 1% habit that literally saved my energy. Every time I felt overwhelmed, I took a 5-minute reset. Not a break, a reset. Close your eyes, deep breath, stretch, sit back down. That's it. This kept me from spiraling into that, I don't want to do this anymore, burnout. It felt like hitting a mental refresh button. Day 5, the visual progress hack. For day 5, I made a tiny change in my notebook. I started tracking progress with a simple checkbox list. Just small tasks with empty boxes beside them. And every time I checked one, I felt a little spark. Like I was actually getting somewhere. And honestly, progress you can see is the best motivation. This one tiny upgrade made day 6 way easier. Day 6, the night before setup. This one is so simple, it almost feels stupid. Before going to sleep, I laid out everything I needed for the next day. Notebook, textbook, pen, laptop, water bottle. That's it. But when I woke up, everything was ready. No friction, no decisions, just sit and start. It felt like removing invisible obstacles I didn't even know were draining me. Day 7, the reflection. On the final day, I wasn't expecting much. But when I look back at the week, I realized something crazy. I didn't become a genius. I didn't study 10 hours a day. I didn't suddenly love studying. But I was consistent. Way more consistent than usual. Because the truth is, you don't need massive discipline to change your life. You just need tiny, repeatable wins. 1% every day is boring, but it compounds fast. Try this tonight. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one tiny upgrade you can do tonight. Clean your desk, prep your materials, set a 10-minute timer, make a checklist. Just one. And watch how different tomorrow feels. If you want more videos like this, hit like so I know, and subscribe. Let's level up together, 1% at a time.